What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, AI is solving problems that seemed impossible just 2 years ago? From designing new medications in hours instead of decades, to systems that can reason through complex problems like a team of experts, the AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Today, we're diving into the 5 most groundbreaking AI technologies that are reshaping our world right now. And trust me, number 3 is going to blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down the most exciting developments in technology and make them actually understandable. So hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First up, multimodal AI systems. Remember when AI could only do one thing? Chat or analyze images or process audio. Those days are gone. The latest AI models can seamlessly switch between text, images, video, and audio, all in the same conversation. Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT-4o, and Anthropic's Claude can now see what you're showing them, hear what you're saying, and respond in multiple formats. But here's where it gets crazy. These systems aren't just processing different inputs separately. They're actually understanding the relationships between them. Show it a diagram while explaining a concept, and it gets the full context. Upload a video of a recipe, and it can walk you through the steps while seeing what you're cooking. The real-world impact? Doctors are using multimodal AI to analyze medical images while cross-referencing patient histories and research papers simultaneously. Architects are sketching ideas on napkins, photographing them, and getting full 3D renderings with structural analysis. We're talking about AI that thinks the way humans actually think, across multiple senses and formats. This isn't incremental progress. This is a fundamental shift in how AI interacts with the world. Number 2, autonomous AI agents. Okay, so traditional AI waits for you to ask a question, gives you an answer, and stops. AI agents? They're completely different animals. These are AI systems that can set goals, break them down into steps, use tools, and actually complete complex tasks on their own. We're talking about AI that can book your entire vacation, flights, hotels, restaurant reservations, while adapting to your preferences in real time. Here's what makes them revolutionary. Companies like Salesforce with Agentforce and OpenAI with their agent capabilities are building AI that doesn't just assist, it executes. Need market research for a business idea? An AI agent can search the web, compile data, analyze trends, create spreadsheets, and generate a presentation. All while you sleep. The game changer? These agents can use actual software tools. They can write and run code, use APIs, navigate websites, and interact with applications just like a human would. Some can even learn from their mistakes and improve over time. We're seeing companies deploy AI agents for customer service that don't just answer questions. They resolve issues by accessing databases, processing refunds, and updating accounts. The line between AI assistant and AI employee is getting blurry fast. Number 3, and this is the big one, AI for scientific discovery. In 2024, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 didn't just predict protein structures, it predicted how proteins interact with DNA, RNA, and small molecules. We're talking about solving biology problems that have stumped scientists for decades. But it gets even more insane. AI systems are now discovering new materials, designing drugs, and even proposing entirely new scientific hypotheses. Microsoft's AI for Science initiative has systems that can read millions of research papers and spot connections that human researchers would never see. Real examples that sound like science fiction. AI designed a new antibiotic that works against drug-resistant bacteria in 90 days. Traditional drug discovery takes 10 to 15 years. Machine learning models have discovered new battery materials that could revolutionize energy storage. AI has identified potential treatments for rare diseases by finding unexpected connections in medical literature. And here's the kicker. These AI systems are doing something humans physically cannot do. They're reprocessing the entirety of human scientific knowledge and finding patterns across disciplines. A breakthrough in physics might solve a problem in medicine, and AI can see those connections. We're not just accelerating science. We're fundamentally changing how discovery happens. Number 4, AI code generation. Look, I know we've all heard about ChatGPT writing code. But what's happening now is on another level entirely. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Claude for coding, and specialized systems like Devon AI aren't just auto-completing your code, they're architecting entire applications. Give them a description of what you want, and they'll build it, test it, debug it, and deploy it. Why this matters: the barrier to building software just collapsed. Non-programmers are creating functional apps. Experienced developers are 10 times more productive. We're seeing entire startups built by small teams using AI to handle the heavy lifting. But here's the really interesting part: these AI systems are starting to understand software at a deeper level than syntax. They grasp architecture patterns, security best practices, and performance optimization. They can refactor messy code, migrate applications between programming languages, and even spot bugs that human developers miss. Some estimates suggest that by 2025, more than half of all new code will be AI-generated. We're watching the nature of software development transform in real time. And finally, number 5, advanced reasoning AI. The newest frontier isn't about AI being faster or bigger, it's about AI that can actually think star. OpenAI SO1 model and similar systems from other companies represent a massive leap: AI that takes time to reason through problems, considers multiple approaches, and catches its own mistakes. This isn't pattern matching. This is something that starts to look like genuine problem solving. What makes this groundbreaking? These systems can tackle PhD-level math, write complex legal analysis, debug intricate code, and solve logic puzzles that would stump most humans. They're not just retrieving information, they're working through problems step by step. The implications are staggering. Imagine AI that can review contracts and spot subtle legal issues. AI that can design experiments and predict outcomes before you run them. Systems that can engage in real strategic planning, not just tactical responses. We're moving from AI that knows things to AI that can figure things out. And that difference changes everything. So there you have it, 5 AI technologies that aren't just incremental improvements. They're paradigm shifts. Multimodal systems that understand the world like we do. Agents that can accomplish complex goals autonomously. AI accelerating scientific discovery in ways we've never seen. Code generation democratizing software development. And reasoning systems that can actually think through hard problems. Here's the thing though, we're still in the early innings. Each of these technologies is going to get dramatically more powerful over the next few years. The AI systems we're using in 2027 will make today's cutting-edge models look primitive. The question isn't whether AI will transform your industry, your job, or your daily life. The question is, are you going to ride the wave, or get swept away by it? What do you think? Which of these technologies excites you most? Or maybe terrifies you a little? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and your insights often spark ideas for future videos. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video where we dive deep into how you can actually start using these AI tools today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.